Blockchain is a shared database computers all use, and it has no leader. It stores records that can't be altered. Transactions are sealed with strong secret codes, and the entire network consents to what the state of affairs is at the time through a special process called a consensus algorithm. How blockchain works? Blockchain is like an electronic book where every transaction gets written. Instead of being held by an individual or a business, many computers around the world have and agree on the same copy. How transactions are verified and added to the blockchain? The computer receiving a transaction, known as a node, checks the transaction before moving forward. If it is invalid, it is rejected outright and does not proceed. Each node checks every transaction carefully with a group of rules. After verifying, the node stores such verified transactions in a waiting pool called the transaction pool or mempool. Before these transactions reach special nodes called miners, these miners collect and authenticate the new transactions along with other nodes. However, miners also combine the majority of these transactions into a new block that can be added to the blockchain. Mining a block. In order to mine a block, the miner needs to fill in all the information required in the block header. Finding the nonce is the miner's task. It makes the block's hash follow a rule where it must be less than a set difficulty number. Why is mining so challenging? The mining puzzle employs a mathematical function called SHA-256. It is one way only. It is not easy to reverse and determine the solution. Miners have to try many times, such as trying various keys for a locked door, in order to get the correct one. Showing difficulty. Every block contains a difficulty level referred to as difficulty bits or bits. For instance, a block may have the value of bits 0 by 1903 A30C. Mining the block successfully has tons of mining hardware that can do the SHA-256 math very quickly and at the same time. Each block is verified independently. In Bitcoin, each computer, or node, verifies each new block individually. That is, only blocks that meet all the rules are accepted and propagated. Every node follows certain rules to make sure the block is correct. Assembling and selecting chains of blocks. Miners reward. Miners invest much time, effort, and computers to verify blocks and hence get paid. In Bitcoin, miners get paid in new bitcoins for their efforts. Numerous branches in the blockchain. Occasionally, two or more blocks are solved simultaneously. This can form various parts, or branches, in the blockchain. Conclusion: blockchain is a protected system where transactions are saved on many computers. It relies on good math and collaboration to protect information and make it trustworthy. But, the process can be complex. It helps build a reliable system for many important uses.